Good morning, students. This is your four part of chapter. Chapter name is The Making of a Scientist. This one last and four part. In this part, the writer want to explain the way of succeeding, the way of to become a great scientist, to invent a new thing. And this inventing new thing is very important in the life of Richard A. Bright. The important thing is that how the cell can read the blueprint of its DNA. He explained this, and this explaining is a puzzled biologist puzzled in the science world. How the cell can read द ब्लूप्रिंट ऑफ इट्स डीएनए। कहने का मतलब ये है कि रिचर्ड एब्राइट ने क्या खोज की? उन्होंने खोज की कि कोशिका अपने डीएनए की रूपरेखा का अध्ययन कर सकती है। इस बात की उन्होंने खोज की। एब्राइट एंड हिज कॉलेज रूममेट जेम्स आर रॉन्ग वर्ड ऑल दैट नाइट drawing pictures. This one explaining here the way of to become a great scientist. How a simple boy who started his life in preface of inventing new things from kindergarten age, at the age of 22, Richard H. A. Bright excited the world of science with a new theory on cells. Richard's scientific career is started with butterflies. This type of words and sentences is relating to the way to become a great scientist, the way to become a great person in the science world. All that night, drawing pictures and constructing plastic models of molecules to say how it could happen. किस तरह यह होता है उसकी ये प्रक्रिया उन्होंने पूरी रात ऐसा वर्क करके किया ना। ड्राइंग पिक्चर्स किया, कंस्ट्रक्टिंग प्लास्टिक मॉडल्स ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स को किया टू शो हाउ इट कुड हैपन, व्हाट कुड हैपन, हाउ द सेल कैन रीड द ब्लूप्रिंट ऑफ इट्स डीएनए. दिस वन a important answer, maybe a important answer of important questions in preface of coming in your examination, dear student. Next point, next 2 point, last 2 point is related to his character. His character, what is his character? He is a enthusiastic learner. Written here, enthusiastic learner. He was a champion debater and public speaker. Talking about him, Mr. Weir, his social studies teacher and advisor, said that what he said that it is 110% correct about a Bright. What a Bright was competitive, but not in a bad sense. This one an important line. You have to remember this line to write this line in any answers. A Bright was competitive, but not into a bad sense. Also, he had all the ingredients that go into the making of a scientist. Start with a first-rate mind and curiosity. He has a first-rate mind and curiosity, mixed in the will to win. He has a lot qualities. Now his a lot qualities. So a Bright collected butterflies when he was in kindergarten. That is very important, and that is a special thing to get a great message from these type of great persons. And on the behind of his greatness, his success, his mother role is very important. His mother encouraged his interest in learning. Different type of, dear student, different type of circumstances come before us, but we never went before that. Like a Bright, his father, a Bright's father died very young, and his mother became his only companion and motivator. and his this type of companion and motivate, and as a motivator on the basis of these type of activities, he become a great scientist. Thank you so much.